Hello everyone, good morning. It's 9:30 I think. As you saw, I made my coffee. I took my little probiotic shot, which I've been trying to stay on top of. For another daily vlog, you guys are just gonna come along with my day. Come along with me on my day. Today is gonna be chill. I'm just gonna go to the pool, I think. It's supposed to be nice out. It's really gloomy right now, but normally that happens in the mornings. I tried to paint my nails yesterday. I'm sorry, what happened? And also, how did these already fall off? I might try to fix these. Honestly, I think I'm gonna try to push myself to go work out right now, which is crazy for me. I just work out later in the day if I even do work out. I don't really have anything to do right now and I should go work out. I'm gonna finish my coffee and then probably eat like a little bread or something, just to have something in my stomach. And then I'm gonna go walk on the treadmill, do a little jog maybe. Little change of plans. I mean, kind of a lot of change of plans. I'm now just gonna go to the store. I was gonna go tan at the pool, but it's honestly so gloomy, and like you still technically can tan in gloomy weather, but it's also like 71, so it's not like super hot. Oh, I just threw on some clothes. I'm just gonna do like a little tiny bit of makeup and then go to the store, grocery store. And then I might go to, no, I'm not gonna go to Target. I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm just gonna go to the grocery store. I wanna get a few things. I already made my list, of course. I think if I don't have a list, then I'm just like all over the place and it's a mess for me. So I wanna try to get some healthier foods, but we'll see. Been seeing like snack plates all over my TikTok and my Pinterest. They want to start making like snack plates. Like my snack plate would be kind of gross to some people, like what I would add on my snack plate, just because I feel like I have a really interesting taste palette. I want to get like steak or some kind of meat. I've been really wanting meat recently, like just a big steak or something. I don't know. If I can, I'll probably just get something like that and then cook it with like mashed potatoes or something tonight. I am gonna work out because I said I was gonna go work out this morning, but then I didn't end up doing that. Just like go on a walk or go walk on the treadmill. I'm not sure yet, we'll see. I'm not gonna do crazy makeup, just concealer, blush, and like eyebrows, and that's it. I'm gonna go to the store now. I probably won't film in there because that's scary. We'll show you what I got when I get back. I may or may not have gotten way too much of the store. I did. I'm gonna make some tacos because I got carne asada. I'm really excited. I am indeed sweating from bringing all the groceries up and do a grocery haul. So let's get into it. First I got potatoes. A big thing of potatoes. I like to make homemade hash browns, just potatoes with meals and all that. Got cream cheese, 2 things of cream cheese. I feel like we use cream cheese all the time, so good to have. Butter. Use butter all the time as well. 2 things of taco seasoning mix. I don't know why I got these. I mean, they're good to have, but I don't really know why I got these. Got sour cream and cottage cheese. I need to start eating cottage cheese. It's all over my TikTok. It's good for you, I guess, and yeah, I don't know. Got some produce. I got 4 limes. They had a sale. Got some cilantro, a huge thing of cilantro. I love cilantro on everything. So it's good. It's good for the meal that I'm gonna make right now. 3 bell peppers, 2 red, 1 green. Got 1 jalapeno pepper. Then I got some, not sushi, okay. I got seaweed for my sushi bake. It was good to have in the house because we eat sushi bake too often. Some avocados. I wanna make avocado toast. And for my thing that I'm gonna make, my tacos that I'm gonna make, I want to make like a little guacamole side, so yeah. Turkey breast to make sandwiches. Honestly, just to eat and make a snack plate with it. Got a big thing of strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite favorite fruit ever, so gotta get those. I got some tortillas, again for my tacos, also just good to have. Got a thing of jasmine rice. We eat jasmine rice all the time. Just needing to like restock on that. I got some salmon for our sushi bake, and I got crab for our sushi bake also. The star of the show, I got carne asada. I'm so excited to make this right now. I'm not even gonna wait till dinner. Like, and I just got some Mexican style blend cheese, shredded cheese. The last bag, finally. Got some of these cocktail onions. Okay, guys, I eat these like they're candy. I love these. Blame my grandparents because they used to always have them in our house and I would just eat them and then I became obsessed. I got some salsa verde for our tacos also and just to have in the house. My creamer, this is the creamer that I've been using lately. I love Chobani creamer so much, but I've been using this heavy whipping cream for cooking. And I got a huge potato salad. I love potato salad. This is the deviled egg potato salad and I'm gonna eat this right now actually. My whole grocery haul. So, okay, I'm cooking the rice right now and then I'm gonna make the guacamole and then cook the steak.